Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know if this is welcome back or if this is okay. I don't know if this is a welcome back or if this is trying to set up our house properly and see how we go about it. But I'm just thankful that we've done a lot. We've brought our furniture, we've packed our clothes, yet to put our curtains, which is crazy, but yeah, I'll come back to come and talk to you guys later on. We're in a hurry. We need to go to IKEA and Tesco before they close. So, ciao. Guys, so today is what day? Today is Wednesday. I went for my glucose maternity test today at the hospital. So, yesterday, last time I ate was around 10 p.m. I didn't eat around 10 p.m. I think I ate chicken and chips around 8 ish, and I didn't eat anything again because when you go for glucose maternity test, it's a test to test for what they call gestational diabetes. So thankfully, what you do is you go fast from midnight to today. I went by 8:15. They took my blood test. I drank very nonsense drink. And then I stayed for about 2 hours and then had another blood test again. So my result will come out on the Badger app, and then everything is going to be okay. That's about it. So I'm back at home. Things are really scattered here. I don't know why I'm touching my head, but things are really scattered here. I went to Boots. Guys, if you live in the UK, I think I find that Boots sell better fruits than Audi. Audi fruits, after a couple of days, they start to spoil. So I decided to go to Boots to get my fruits. Well, guys, Boots is expensive. Buying things from Boots is expensive. I just got a couple of things from Boots. I didn't even buy anything major. And tell me how my total bill was £51. Strange. So I got fresh tomatoes. This cost me, hold on. When is that? I think I have fresh these tomatoes with fresh fruits. So I'm trying to get my list. So the fresh tomatoes, how much do they cost? Fresh tomatoes, one for £1 51 pence, and I got I don't know how many kg it is, but it cost me £3 75 for these tomatoes. Then I also got grapes. So this was selling for two for £4 50. So I was like, okay, you know what? But I also got this here. Got bananas again. I got tangerine, avocado. This avocado is for me. This is for me. I am going to go to African shop to buy proper onion, red onions, because I don't know what this is. And it's £1 something. So bread. This is mostly my husband's. I eat bread, but not like that. So this is for him. I got apple. So all of this, as you're seeing here now, is £51. Tell me why all of this is just £51. How is that possible? What did I buy that is £51? Things are getting expensive in this country. Like cost of living is really getting high. Things are not as it used to be anymore in this country. Why are things expensive? Like why? my Shin parcel. I got some kitchen stuff and I wanted to show you guys. I've already opened some. I got this thick bamboo tray from Shin and I actually like it. It's look at how cute it looks. I want to use this and put like my tea bags, my sugar or coffee inside. I think it will look really nice. And I'll put it on my tabletop, kitchen tabletop. The next thing I got was this. I got mostly trees just to decorate my kitchen. This one is a 3-in-1 tray. I don't know how this looks like. I don't know if I like the color. It's too. I don't really know. I'm indifferent about this. I thought it was going to come out nice, but this is the second one here. I got this one from Shein. I'm going to put the link in the description box. So this is these two. They are from Shein. I didn't know that this thing was going to be as small as this. So this is a wood chopping board from Shein as well. This one is from Shein. And last but not least, I also got, hold on. I got a glass. Man, when I was getting this, and I actually thought that it was three. So it's just one. And it has a bamboo cover. I also got it from Shein. Maybe I have to buy this again. Let me see what container is going to enter. Coffee and sugar bag. A really nice bamboo measuring spoons. Look at how it looks. And it's also from Shein. So this sheet sets here. I also got these cute baskets from Shein as well. I want to use this and put my onions, my plantain and my, what else will I put? Yam. I'll put it here and then maybe put it, where else will I put it? Maybe in my, I want to have a small pantry. You see this door here? That's what I want to use as my pantries. But this is currently how I put ingredients on top of this small tray that I got from Shein. But I want to do this instead. Put it here so it looks much better and more organized. Yeah. This is what I got from Shein. See how cute they look. It's what I want to use and put my tea bags, my sugar, and maybe my coffee here so it looks nice. Maybe I'm thinking of putting it here. This is how it looks. I think it looks really nice. Amen. Amen. Hey guys, good morning. Today is I think today is Saturday and I look like a mess, but that's a story for another day. I have an outing with my colleagues. I think we're going to Trafford Centre in Manchester just to get a few makeup items and just possibly hang out. To be fair, when I did agree for this hangout, I was like, okay, I haven't been out in a while, so I might as well just, go out because, but now, this morning, I am reconsidering my choices because I don't want to go anywhere. I've been working for 4 days now, and I just want to be at home. I just want to rest. I just want to just stay and not do anything. But I have to go because I have promised them that I'm going out today. The weather is not too bright. It's not sunny. It's a bit cloudy, and it looks like it wants to rain. I want to tidy up this space. 10 a.m. in the morning, and I have about roughly an hour, 30 minutes to get ready to make up. I finished eating. I want to just sleep. So, my pregnant care, my antenatal drug. I have to take this after I finish eating in the morning, but I'll forget it. I've had 3 cups of this. This cup, I've had 3 cups. I'm trying to drink as much as I can because last time I went for my scan, the sonographer was like, "You don't drink a lot. You need to drink water." So I'm trying as much as I can now to be drinking as much water as I can. So this is 2 liters. This bottle is 2 liters. We had to get this bottle so that I can gauge how much I've taken because sometimes in my head I think I've drunk water. When oops, when I have one of these, I feel like I've had water, but this is like I think this should be like 500 mils. Is this equivalent of this bottle? I think so. I mean, if you disagree, just comment in the comment section. This is 500 mils. I think it's also 500 mils. I think. Maybe one day I would actually pour the contents of this into this and see if this cup is equivalent to 500 mils. But in my head, this is 500 mils. So I take 3 of this in the morning. When I get to work, if I'm working that day, I continue with this bottle. But I'm from at home. I try to be conscious enough to drink water because if you don't know what you're doing, your urine will be concentrated, and it's not good for my baby for my urine to be concentrated. So I'm usually very tired. I like to sit down, but I can't sit down. This is 11:03, and my train is by 12 something. So I have roughly 1 hour. This morning I've bought out what I want to wear. I have a problem with the bag a bit because I don't think the bag goes with my outfit. But when I dress up and make up, I think I should be able to decide whether the outfit looks good together. This is my first time going out in months. I want to document my journey because I feel like I mean pregnancy is a very unique journey. It's not something somebody would explain to you. You have to go through the journey yourself. And I pray that every woman who is seeking for the fruit of the womb, that God blesses you with your own fruit of the womb. My baby just kicked right now. Yeah. So let me dress up and go. I don't have strength. I found some makeup items. I'm just trying to sort them out so that I'll be faster. I think if I bring out all my makeup things, what I need, if I see them within reach, I tend to be faster than when I'm trying to sort them out from the bag. I mean, that's what I think. 43. God, I beg. Oh. I'm using my hand. my Heavenly Father. Time is not on my side. Each time I look at the time, I'm having palpitation. I'm like, hey, God, I beg you. So this is my makeup. I just rushed this makeup last minute. I don't even know how it looks. I'm just looking at the viewfinder now. I think the makeup came out well. I don't like my brows, but I have no choice. I've missed the 12:21 train and I'm just trying to sort out my outfit. One thing about this pregnancy, it makes you like you're out of clothes options. Now, I'm looking at this. I hope you're seeing this small mirror here. I need to get a full mirror, but this small mirror here is not giving me. Like I look, I don't know. Anyway, this is my look. I think the makeup is not too bad. Makeup is not too bad, but I don't know. I don't know. I need to go. Let me book my Uber. As I'm doing this, let me just book my Uber now. People have come back. This my makeup is not bad though. To think I did not actually apply so much on my face. I took my Canon Abu 50 out and I forgot the battery. I'm explaining me because I didn't take any picture. I didn't also record anything. And it's very annoying because how did I take my camera out with hopes that I was going to vlog? And I actually didn't vlog. This camera, this Sony ZV1 camera, I left it at home because I felt that the battery was not too, wasn't trustworthy. So I took my R50 out with an extra lens. It hopes to take pictures, and then all of a sudden, I forgot the battery. Like I wasn't even thinking straight. Huh? Kind of didn't choose this one now. It was a very good day, but honestly, I'm stressed out. I don't think I'll end up doing something like this.